as you can just see here, this is a platform, a pay-to-read email platform that has paid me $3 for just signing up on this platform. Just my sign up on this pay-to-read email platform, I have been given $3, as you can see on the screen. This is for just activating the account. So I'm going to show you a platform that get you paid for reading emails. Now it doesn't just end there with you reading emails. It also gives you the ability to perform surveys, as you can see here. You can see on the screen. For cash, I have 0 cash. For point, I have 0 points, because I have not been able to do anything yet on the platform. I have not yet done anything on the platform, but just my sign up has been able to give me $3. As you can see here, you click on this place, you see offers that are available. You can see surveys offers that are also available. So you can click on surveys and you'll be able to also make money on survey on this platform, and you also make money just by reading emails. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Basi Ejibajo. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel we talk about how to make money online as a total beginner in Nigeria in 2024. So if you love videos like this, make sure you click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates. I drop a video like this, and so that I can also grow. So like I said, in today's video I will show you a platform that get you paid for reading emails and also participating in surveys. $3 sign up bonus will be given to your account, and when you refer your friends also, you'll be able to make money on this platform. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to any browser of your choice. If you are using Google Chrome, if you are using Firefox, if you are using Opera Mini, Internet Explorer, or the rest. For me, I use Google Chrome. The first thing you have to go and to your new tab and type is paid-to-read-email.com. paid-to-read-email.com is the name of the website, and when you click on it, so what I will do is I will log out and I will show you the step-by-step ways in which you can earn money on this platform and how you can sign up. So this is my account. What I have to do is I have to log out first from my account, and I will show you how you'll be able to sign up on this platform and you will start making money. As you can see, it says sign up and get $3 bonus. So what you just have to sign up with, you sign up with your first name. So I will say my first name is Peter. Let's say Peter Pan. So this is Peter Pan. You know, it's fun. Let's make sure you click on the red subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So it says enter a valid email address. Let's give in any email address. Which of the email address will I give? I will show my email address. Okay, let's say, let me give out this email address. Okay, I'll be giving out this particular email address. So you fill in your password. So let's give in our password. So let's give in the password we'll be using to log in on this platform. So you have to give in the password again for confirmation. So this is the password you'll be using to log in on this platform. So our postal code. So our postal code, if you're Nigerian, you'll be using 5555014. You can check the postal code just by going to Google and search for postal code close to me. You understand? If you're in Calabar, you can search for postal code in Cross River. If you're in Nigeria, can search for postal codes in Nigeria, and you'll be able to see a list of postal codes available for you. So you click on I have agreed to the terms and condition of pay-to-read email, and you click on I am not a robot to confirm their authenticity. So you allow it to load to confirm whether you are not a robot, and you'll be able to sign up on this platform. So this is it. It has confirmed that I am not a robot. As you can see, all my details are correctly filled on the platform. So as you can see, everything is still on 0000. So what I just have to do is I'll click on sign up now, and we allow it to open, and you'll be able to start earning money on this platform because you are already signed up. So we allow you to open. You can say pay to read email, sign up. It says thank you, your account has been activated and a $3 sign up bonus has been given to you. Now one thing you have to know is that as I've signed up from this platform, there's an email that has been sent to my email that I used to register on this platform. So why it is not showing is because I use a do not disturb feature on my phone right now, so you are not going to see any feature like the email has been sent. But as you can see on the screen, it's a screenshot of the email that was sent to me, as you can see on the screen. So you can see here that a $3 sign-up bonus has been given to you. So it says you can earn more with your opinions by participating in surveys. You'll be able to earn from $0.50 to $1 per survey. So if you want to try something like this, so you can just, let's see, click here to see. So you can just come here and click on any of their offers that is available for you, and you'll be able to start your survey and you'll be able to make money. So this is how you can make money on this platform by participating in surveys. As you can see, earn $0.30 to $1.20 for every complete survey. So as you can see, if you click on this particular survey, you'll be able to earn $1.20. Let's assume we click on this platform, you'll be able to earn $1.20 when you complete this survey that has been given to you. You just have to fill in all your details and participate with sincerity on this survey platform, and you will make money. Give them all correct information. All your information should be accurate and no information should be dishonest. That's how you'll be able to make money on paid to read platform, a platform that pays you money just by reading emails. You can make additional income from this platform by participating in surveys, and you can also make additional money from this platform by referring your friends.